Hey, what's up, warriors? Today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover this real brief topic of how can you make money with Clickbank if you're dead broke. A lot of you have been asking me this, and I had to share this opportunity with you guys because I've literally been in a place where I was broke and I found the opportunity to make money with Clickbank, and I had to figure my way around things. And so today what I'm going to do is I'm going to share with you the power of using YouTube in order to make money. Listen, you're in a position right now where you don't have that many choices as to how you're going to make money. But this is the first step in order for you to make money. What you do with that money next determines how much money you're going to make in the future without using this first step in this series. Now, I'm hella jet lagged, hella tired still because I just arrived back home. Actually, I'm in Los Angeles right now. Just came back from Bali and had like 2 layovers. One of them was 7 hours, another one was 11 hours. So I'm still jet lagged 2 days later, but I had to get started with this web series or else I'm not going to get started. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to hop on over to my computer where I'm going to share with you step 1 in this Clickbank series. If you're dead broke and you need a way to start making some money online, this is the strategy that I've used. This is the strategy that I'm going to share with you in order to make your first $100, $200 with this strategy. This is a strategy that does take time. So you can't just jump into this and then expect tomorrow to make $100. It doesn't work that way. Sometimes it does. Most of the time it doesn't. And so it's going to take some time for you to develop the skills also and to develop some momentum in your business in order to hit these numbers that I'm going to be breaking down inside this video. Oh, by the way, if you haven't gone over and seen any video that I did with my friend Angelo out in Tokyo, go ahead and head on over to that video after you've seen this video. So there should be a card up on the screen somewhere to go ahead and check that video out. So let's hop on over to the computer and let's go ahead and dive into this training. Alright, so we're here. I'm going to go over this Clickbank tutorial series with you, and this is the YouTube organic method. Like I said again, if you're completely broke, this strategy has taken me from $0 in my bank account to over $500 a week just by using this strategy. It actually can make more over time, and which it did for me. At my peak, I made $1,500 in a week just using this strategy here. So it is a very powerful strategy. It does take time and you have to be patient using it. So I'm gonna hop straight on into this. Towards the end of this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hop on over to YouTube and I'm going to share with you some very key tips on how to rank your YouTube videos to gain more traction over time and cut the learning curve and the time down as far as getting traffic on over to your links using this strategy. So I like to do these diagrams because I feel like you guys learn a lot quicker using these diagrams. So I'm just going to go ahead and dive straight in here. Step number 1 is to do product reviews. Now, you may not know what the product is about, but what you can do is you can contact the vendor, email the vendor of the product, and ask them if you can get some type of review access so that you can review this product doing a video review. That's how you can get in behind the scenes, get access to the product to do a review, so without actually purchasing the product. Now, another method is, which I don't like, is some people, like, if you can actually purchase the product and then get a refund later just to review the product. But if you like the product, obviously you want to keep the product using that method. Okay, and then lastly, you could just mimic people who have already created a review for the Clickbank product, and obviously you're going to mimic every piece of that content. And then step number 2, this is very important. Evergreen strategy is key to your success because you want long-term traffic and long-term growth with your YouTube channel, with your YouTube traffic going to your funnels, so that you have like a baseline of income coming in using this method. So the evergreen strategy is say for example, the product that we chose to market was a Amazon product. So our evergreen strategy is to create several videos and what I like to call a cluster. And I kind of went over this in the first video that I created showing you the $200 or $400 per day ClickBank strategy. I went over this strategy, but in essence what it is you're creating a cluster of videos that solve problems or solve questions or answer questions that people have about this product. So for example, if this is an Amazon product, then I'm gonna say how to make money with Amazon, how to set up your Amazon store, how much do you get paid with Amazon, and what are the benefits of setting up your store with Amazon? What is Amazon FBA? You know, these are different questions that people want to get answers to, and they may have problems that they need solving. And for your job is to go ahead and make sure that you answer those questions inside of your videos and point those videos to your CB offer. That's what I mean by CB offer, which is your ClickBank offer. So underneath every review that you do, you need to have a link going to your ClickBank offer, and then underneath every video that you do in this evergreen strategy, you need to have your link going to your ClickBank offer. Okay, always be selling. Remember that ABC, always be selling. Now, last thing is, and in every single one of your videos where you're doing promotions, you're gonna want to tell them about your bonus. Now, you may be shy as to doing a one-on-one bonus with someone or giving that away, or it may be too much for you, but listen, you don't have nothing but time on your hands because you don't have money right now. So the biggest thing that I've done in order to spike my income was I said, look, if you buy all the products behind this product, I will give you a one-on-one bonus to where I will sit down and show you my strategy on how I do $100 per day, or how my mentor does $100 per day. And depending on where you're at using this strategy, if you've made money, you can say I, and if you haven't made money, you can say my mentor, because obviously the strategy does work. But this right here increases conversions because people always want, you know, a hand holding. They want somebody live to help them through, you know, what they, you know, with help with making money online. Now, obviously, with this strategy, I pick make money online products, so my bonus makes sense because they just, you know, they just want to make money online. So any extra bonus that I can give them, obviously, helps with the conversions of that product. So diving straight in again, and diving even deeper into the strategy, the step number one to creating videos that rank is find the top ranked videos. Okay, that's, I put TVR for top ranked videos. So to find the top ranked videos for whatever questions that you're going to solve, or whatever problems you're going to solve, or whatever product reviews you're going after, whatever video that is, you're going to go after the top ranked video. Okay, most of the time it's videos that got a short, like within a month span, they've got a you know, thousands of views, and you have to look at the channel and see how many subscribers they have. They have 1,000 subscribers, or 2,000, or even 20,000 subscribers, and they've got 11,000 views on one video in 30 days. Then you're going to want to mimic that video. You're going to want to mimic the title. All right, you're going to copy the title, you're going to copy the description of that YouTube video, and you're going to copy the tags of that YouTube video. Okay, and if you don't know what tags are, it's just the words, the keywords that you type in for relevant terms that people will type in the search to find your video, to find the answers that they're looking for, right? And so what you're going to do is you're going to mirror the content inside the video. There's a reason why that video is getting so many views. There's a reason why that video is getting so many likes. There's a reason why that video is getting so many comments. Is because of the content and the way that, you know, they structure the title, a description, and the tags. So you're going to want to mirror the way that they view the content. Now, I'm going to be very clear with you. Sometimes you will find videos where they're showing this enormous proof of making, you know, extravagant amounts of money online. That's not the videos that you want to go after at first. You want to go after videos that are good, detailed, and do not show any type of income proof, and have, you know, that have obviously have success with the amount of views that they see that you're seeing on the video at the end of the 30 days or in 2 weeks, whatever the case is, with your successful top ranked video, and you're gonna want to mirror that content with that video. Now, once you start using this strategy and start making some money with it, then yes, you know, the doors have opened up to where you can actually you know, implement the same types of videos that have the income proof in them, because at that point in time you will have the income proof to use inside your video to mimic every video that you see out there in the marketplace. It doesn't matter if the video is saying I made 10,000 and you only made 200 bucks or 100 bucks. Who cares? It's income proof. Just use it and mirror the content as much as possible. So when you see my videos and the structure that I laid out in these videos, you know, I didn't just stumble upon this by accident. I did this for a reason, and the reason is because I've already studied someone else's successful video, and so with that being said, folks, it just works. You came to this video, you're listening all the way to the end right here because of the strategy that's been working. So anyways, with all that being said, folks, this is part 1 of the Clickbank tutorial series, where I'm sharing with you how you can go from broke to making your first $500 a day using this Clickbank tutorial series. If you follow it to the T and take action, there is no way you can fail with this strategy. But if you sit there and do nothing, obviously you're going to get the same result you've been getting, which is nothing at all or minuscule results. So with that being said, you guys take care. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for dropping the value bombs in this video. If you like to this information and this is the first time seeing this video, go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube video. I come out with videos like this all the time, but I'm gonna go ahead and hop on over to YouTube real quick to show you the strategy live as far as ranking your YouTube video. Alright, so over time you're going to figure out exactly which YouTubers you're going to want to follow every single day, but I'm just giving you some golden nuggets out here that I've actually found. This is Josh.
Hey guys, what's going on? Josh.
I'm going to pause that real quick. I'm going to go on over to his video section right here of his channel, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the most recent videos that he has on his channel. And what I'm specifically looking for is a significant amount of views versus, you know, his other videos. So as you can see, he's getting 1,000 views per video, 1,500 views per video. He's got 3,000 views in 5 days. That's cool. He's got 4,000 views in 1 week. And let's see what else he has here. So 3,000. So honestly, right here, how to make $700 a day fast as a broke beginner. So this is what I would do is I would obviously follow.
Hey guys, what's going on? Joshua Elder here with another video.
Okay, and how he structured this video, you know, he's got the income proof first, right? And you can structure this exactly the same way. Then he's got he's using some sort of whiteboard here where he's got some diagrams here. So I'm gonna have to do some you know, set up a diagram there. You can see that it has 3,100 views, 74 comments, so people are engaging with this video, 169 likes. I've got 2 plugins here that I'm using. I'm using the I forget what this is called, Tube blank, I forget the name of it, but I got vidIQ. TubeBuddy, that's right, TubeBuddy. I'm using TubeBuddy, and I'm also using vidIQ, both of which are free to use, and it just lets me know, you know, what his tags are for his video, and that's pretty much it. Like the rankings of the video, like how many views per hour he's getting, you know, 1.8 views per hour. Sometimes, you know, I like to, over time, I like to see a little bit higher than that if I'm going to choose to, you know, use this video to model and rank. So far I see that he's not ranking for any of the search terms, so this may be traffic from his 16K followers, but nonetheless, you know, it is something to keep an eye on. But again, like this, all I do is I just copy the title, you know, copy the description, but obviously I would have to, you know, gear it towards my links and whatnot. You don't want to put that person's links in your description because you'll be promoting their content, and that's not what you want, right? That's not the whole point of this thing. But literally, that's all you have to do. And you know, you can find 1,000 Josh Elders out there. Trust me, because there's a lot of other people out there that I follow that have videos coming out consistently to where you can model, you know. And so, like, here's another one: how to promote Clickbank products for free. And I'm pretty
guys, what's going on? Joshua.
5,000 views in a month. He's ranking for several of these terms, like how to promote Clickbank products on YouTube, how to promote Clickbank products. So this is a good, solid video to go ahead and mimic the way that he's laid it out. It's 22 minutes long, so if you can get it shorter, that's better. Like if you can get it about 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, that's great. And so, anyways, you know, with that being said, folks, this is literally the strategy that I use. I just go ahead and I do my research and I find as many people as I can, you know, for whatever I'm trying to rank for. So if I tried this Clickbank, so yeah, Clickbank for beginners. There's several different people's videos out there. Look, here's mine right here, top video on there ranked, using the same strategy, folks. Same strategy that I'm telling you right now. Even like if I type in, and this works for long, like keywords like fastest way to make money online. I was on the first page for that, but yikes. Yeah, I kind of slipped on that one, but most of the time, like if I let's see, Clickbank tutorial, I think I'm on the first, boom, I'm on the first page for that too as well. So they're just, you know, like I said again, like I do this strategy consistently, but I find people like this Paolo, Freedom Influencer, and I follow exactly how they set up their videos, the titles, the tags, everything, and try to mimic their content as much as possible. So with that being said, hope you guys got value out of this video. Till next time, I will see you at the top.